Hello everyone. So welcome back in this video. So you can see here there is a question. Okay, it is very simple. So see here, an aeroplane with a large wing as compared to a small wing will necessarily have. So it is a MCQ question. Okay, so we need to choose one correct option. So if there is a plane, okay, like there are two planes. Okay, if so these are two planes. You can actually know that if any plane have the length more, so they it is have more longitudinal static stability. Okay, and it is produce enough lift or greater lift with compared to that. Okay, so larger wing will have a greater lift. Okay, and so will lead to bigger pitching moment. Hmm. And so the longitudinal static stability will be more in case of large wing. Okay, so here and if center of gravity means CG. Okay, CG is ahead. Okay, CG is ahead of the aerodynamic center. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? It is more longit. You can see here that it is a more longitudinal static stability. Okay, for an after tail aircraft, if aerodynamic center of the large wing is behind the center of the gravity. Okay, so you can see that here it is correct, more longitudinal static stability. Okay, and less longitudinal stability, it is wrong. It is also wrong, and it is also what you can see here for an after tail airplane if aerodynamic center of the larger wing is behind the center of gravity of the aeroplane, so it is more suitable than this. Okay, so this is the correct option. I hope you and you are clear by using this picture. Okay, and you also note that when the wing have large area. Okay, so it is produce more lift, and it is more stable longitudinal static stability. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. So thank you, have a nice day.